guys, Candida here. This is the SPYPOINT Flex G-36 camera. What I like about this is its cellular function. So it is able to connect to any of the nationwide carriers with its cellular function and send the real-time pictures directly to an app on our phone. You can see here we've got the nice antenna. The battery itself is super easy to set up and it runs on 8 AA batteries. We've got our on-off button, we've got a test function here, and it's got a code on the inside that we simply just scan to connect it to our phone. So setup is very simple. What I like about it is not only the ease of setup, but the fact that we can get real-time pictures sent to our phone. It takes pictures in color during the day, and then we've got our black and white pictures at night. So even at night, it's able to pick up the critters that are out and about and we're able to see them. Now we're gonna see how easy it is to see the real-time pictures on the app. And so here you can see my husband is filming me shooting this video, and you can see my picture right here where I am playing with the camera. So just like that, we've got real-time photos, easy setup, and it's gonna catch all of the critters so we can start seeing what time we need to go out for a drive. So I hope you found the review helpful.